Hi, my name is Firebelly. I am the developer of Slinger, which just released on Steam and itch.io for $4.99 US. So I'm going to give you a rundown of what this game is about, but before I do, check out the links in the description to visit the store pages, and if you like my channel, if you like my work, and if you like the game, please consider purchasing it. Okay, so here's the game. Slinger is a physics-based puzzle game about creating complex solutions out of smaller behaviors. So on the left-hand side here, we have what I'm calling behavior blocks. My goal is to use these behavior blocks to kill the goblin that's sitting up there and taunting me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this behavior block, and I'm going to add an action. Now an action is something that happens to the sword. So I'm going to select the throw action. So the sword is going to be thrown, and it's going to be thrown with these parameters. I have my angle control here, which I can control with the radius like this, or I can use these rotation buttons for finer control. I can also control the speed and the spin of the sword. And I'm just going to go ahead and click play and see what happens. Okay, so we can see that the sword has been thrown. So now I have the ability to add another behavior block. Now I have a trigger and an action slot that I can use. So I'm going to go ahead and add a trigger, and the trigger that is available to me on this level is bounce. A trigger is a response to a game event. So the bounce trigger is going to fire the connected action after the supplied number of bounces. So just to make this really clear, I'm going to attach a throw, and I'm going to set the bounces to 3 and attach a throw that just throws in the opposite direction. So I'm going to play that and we'll see 1, 2, 3, and then it throws up. So obviously for this solution, I'm going to probably just want one bounce, and then I'm going to throw it this way. And let's see if that works. And that's how you generally approach solving the puzzles. As the game progresses, you are going to encounter more challenging puzzles like this one, and you're also going to unlock more behavior blocks. So we have 3 here when the previous was 2, and you're also going to have more actions. So I'm in one of the later levels right now, and you can see that I have a bunch of interesting different actions right here, all available to me. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in a shoot arrow so you can go ahead and see that. And then I'm also going to show you all the triggers. So I have an enemy kill trigger, I got the bounce, which I just showed you, skip, which is basically a do nothing, so it's just going to immediately execute the action. We have a timer. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that that's the level that I completed is not all that the game has to offer. There are more triggers, more actions. There are 50 puzzle levels that I think you'll enjoy, and it's all for just $4.99. So again, if you like my work, if you like the game, please consider supporting me by purchasing the game, and I'll see you in the next video.